No, it had a, I think it might be a replica, but the 99 spec.
Right, but the seats are different?
No, they're the same. Some of the J30s have a, oh my god, put your damn seatbelt on. Alright guys, so I have everything down here connected already. No more hanging cross member. The traction rods, the lower control arms are connected. They do need to be bolted down, but just trying to give you guys an update of where everything's at so far. Next, I do need to lower the motor mounts in place so I can drop the engine and get rid of the hoist already. Alright guys, so one of my biggest pet peeves is having a dirty garage with all of my tools scattered everywhere and I have no idea where anything's at. So I went ahead and cleaned everything up, organized the main tools that I'm going to be using to finish everything up. Everything underneath the car is already finished. Before I do start working on the intake and everything, I would like to replace this line because it's already ripping. It's already split right there and right there, so I'm gonna knock that out while the intake's off. I still have to remove this external wastegate to change the springs. The driver's side one's already set. The AC, alternator, power steering have all been installed. Alright guys, so I finished the Z a few minutes ago. It has oil. I'm working on the coolant right now. Everything's connected. I still need to swap the springs out on this, but for the meantime, I wanted to get the car up and running before, you know, I just wanted to get it up and running as soon as possible already. So right now I kind of am racing against the weather. It looks like it's about to rain right now. I haven't fired it up yet. This is going to be the first start. So currently I do have my fuel pump disconnected. So I am going to prime the oil system before I crank it up. Let's see if we start building oil pressure. Well, that shouldn't have happened because our secondary pump is disconnected and our primary pump is disconnected. Not sure what fuel it's running on because there is zero fuel pressure. pressure is pretty good, and of course, no fuel pressure. Alright, so now that we have good oil pressure, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the pump back up. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth, so fingers crossed that everything goes well. It should. I'm pretty confident in what I did. Here goes. All right, let's do this. We have great oil pressure and our fuel pressure is at 43. So since I only have a single cable going to the factory O2 sensor, underneath the car, I must have placed the wire on the wrong prong. It has two prongs, but only one sends a signal. So that is the reason why that one isn't reading. I just need to get into the car and rewire it. So while we were cranking it earlier, we should have been building oil pressure. The reason why